How to use Google Sites for affiliate marketing. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Sites for affiliate marketing. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Google Site, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Google Sites, it is a web page and wiki creation tool included with Google Apps, in which it is ideal for committees, work groups, and project management, allowing users to create, manage, and update websites without requiring designer, programmer, or IT help. And now, in creating your Google Sites, you should also have an affiliate marketing account, which also included, such as in Amazon, we have here Amazon Associates that you could also sign up, in which from here you could also promote some other products from Amazon, in which after promoting using your affiliate links or the product affiliate links, you will also get a commission for every product that you sell using its affiliate link. Or aside from Amazon, you could also navigate or use some other platform. We have here Shopify and also Alibaba, or you could also promote products using some of the affiliate links that you can find on each product. However, at this point, I'm going to use the Amazon, and after creating your account or signing up, you can now proceed by going to amazon.com, and from here, just simply choose a specific product that you want to promote or advertise in our Google Site website that we're going to create. So as you can see, I'm choosing this yoga mat. So can I click on this one, in which upon clicking on it, it will show us the result, including its image, the title of it, the corresponding prices, and other media files in here. However, to promote this kind of product wisely, we could also use or create a website in our Google Sites. And to do that, just open or go to googlesites.com, in which from here it will show you that you could also create a blank site or other templates in here. But in those options, I'm going to create using blank site to start from scratch. And from here, it will show you that you can simply enter a kind of title page, and make sure that the title page that you will enter here are connected to the products that you are promoting. And after that, you could also change the layout of this text and also change the location of it. Now moving on the top left corner, we could also enter here our site name. For instance, I'm going to enter here mental care. Now moving on from here on our title page, we could also change the image background of it by clicking this image, and from here you have the choices to upload your files or select to any of these images that is provided on this platform. We have here gallery by URL, Google Images, and Google Drive. And by clicking Google Images, from here you can simply search any kind of images that you can find on Google. For instance, I'm going to search yoga, and from here it will show us a variety of images about yoga. So from here, the next thing that we need to do is to simply choose the kind of images that we want to set a background. So let's say I'm going to choose this image right here. So kind of click on it and proceed by clicking insert button to proceed. And after that, you'll now be able to see here that the background has now been changed. And now to also edit this context, you can simply highlight this context and change title, heading, subheading, depending on your preferences. But I'm going to prefer this title. And aside from that, we could also change the font style of this title context in here, and also its size to make it bold, italic, and many more. And you could also simply drag the text to change the location of it to your Google Sites page. Now moving on to add more contents, we could simply insert some of these content blocks right here by clicking on this. We can simply add or edit a text in here. For instance, at this page, I'm going to enter here benefits. Then below it will show you, or you could also enter here some of the benefits that effects of yoga. And after that, we could also enter here on the left side panel a media files or also a picture. By clicking this plus button, we will be able to upload select image from Drive, YouTube, Calendar, or Map. And by clicking select image, from here we can simply search for specific images on Google Images. And as you can see, I just enter yoga, and below here it will show us the result. So all we need to do is to simply choose the specific kind of images that we want to input in there. Then just click insert button below to proceed. And after that, it will show you in here that the images has now been inserted. And now, aside from content blocks, we could also add here or insert here some other elements. For instance, I'm going to enter here a divider, and I'm going to input here on the top panel of this benefits. And aside from divider, we could also navigate or add some other elements or content, including this image carousel by clicking on it. it will show us on this pop-up window that we can simply input or upload an images in here. And now, to upload or insert a button, just click this button option. And on this pop-up window, just enter the name of the button. So I'm going to enter here, buy now. And below, under link, from here, we can simply go to our Amazon affiliate account. And for example, this kind of link is our Amazon affiliate links. So all we need to do is to simply copy this link. Or you could also copy some other links from Alibaba, Shopify, and other store if you want to. And after that, just go back in here and kindly paste the link and click insert button to proceed. And now as you can see, the button has now been made. And we can simply drag it to change the location of it in our Google Sites. So for instance, I'm going to enter here in this center. And aside from that, if you also want to add the background color of this button, you can do so by clicking this icon on the left side panel. And from here, you can simply select other kind of style and color. And now as you can see, we have now successfully changed the background color of our button. But if you also want to change the themes of our website, just click the theme section on the left side panel. Then from here, just simply select any kind of themes that you prefer and also the specific color that you also want. So let's say in those option of themes, I'm going to choose this one right here. Now moving on, aside from themes that we can navigate, we could also add here under insert a video by clicking this YouTube. It will show us a pop-up window, and from here we can simply choose a file or search it on YouTube. So for instance, I'm going to enter here yoga benefits, and upon clicking enter, you'll be able to see here all of the results below. And all we need to do is to simply choose the kind of video that we prefer. And after that, it will show us in here the video, and we can simply drag it up or down if we want to change the location of it in our website. Aside from that, we could also resize this depending on our preferences. And now as you can see, we have now successfully created a decent website in advertising or promoting a specific product of yoga mats. In which from here, if the customer try to click this buy now button right here, they will be able to be directed on this page. And from here, they can simply check out this yoga mat product. And we will earn a commission depending on the sale that we just made, if you also part of Amazon affiliate or associate in here. Now going back in here, if you also want to add new pages, just click this pages section, then click the plus button below here to proceed, and click new page if you want to. And on this pop-up window, just enter the name of your new page. So let's say for the new page, I'm going to enter here the name, which is feedback. And after clicking done, you'll now be able to see here that we have now multiple pages. We have here home and feedback, in which this is basically what the customer will see if they try to navigate our website. And now on this feedback pages, we could also add other elements including content blocks, text box, images, and other elements in here like we did on this homepage. And now if you're now done customizing your website, just click the publish button on the top right corner, and upon clicking on it, from here you could also change the web address, then proceed by clicking the publish button to proceed. And after publishing, we could also click view button below here in order to view the result of the website that we just customized. So as you can see, this is basically what the customers will see. And if they try to click this buy now button right here, they will be directed on the page of Amazon, and from here they can simply buy this product, in which we will be able to earn a commission depending on the sales we made. So that is just basically how you can use Google Sites for affiliate marketing. Thank you.